Hello, everyone, and welcome to another tip of the week. I am David Lewis. Millennials, also known as Generation Y, are usually defined as those born from 1981 to 1996, putting them in the range from 25 to 40. They are technology-savvy people who have been alive during most of the advancements of the internet and digital devices. So it stands to reason that they will use these powerful tools in their research and purchasing process when it comes time to shop for a new car for themselves or their family. Now, there are around 75 million millennials in the U.S. today who make up about 30% of all consumer spending. This makes what they spend on their vehicles very important. When millennials shop for a new car, price, fuel efficiency, and safety are usually their top priorities. This is followed by style or appearance, then the brand, size, and reputation, as well as technology and features like speed and functionality. Now, according to data and technology trackers Kroll.com, about 75% of millennials own or lease a car, and over 80% of them plan to purchase or lease another one within the next 5 years. In a survey they did with millennial drivers in 2019, about 87% of millennials said that having their own car is a necessity for their life they live and for their plans for the future. So here's my tip of the week. Engage, engage, engage. Get online and write reviews of your product. Post pictures and videos of your products. And by doing this, you may just become a product expert that someone would want to buy from. When a customer calls the dealership for information, email or text them a video and have that video delivered to them as a link from YouTube. When a customer leaves without a purchase, again, email or text them a follow-up video of the car. And by all means, make sure you connect with everyone you speak to on all of the different social media platforms. If you want to sell to a millennial, then you need to act, respond, and perform in the medium that they understand.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.